Hey, welcome to HESI test practice test. So here we will solve 10 example mathematics questions you might encounter on the HESI. So let's come to first problem. So here, what is 225.25 divided by 15? So here I will give you a simple way to solve this problem. So here 225, so here 15, so 15 will goes over 22, it will goes over one times, and here 12, and it will become 1, and 12 minus 5 equals to 7, 7, 5 here comes, and 15 times 5, so 15 times 5 equals to 75, so here 75 comes, and here 0. So another part is 0.25, so we will just take 25. So here again we need to divide by 15. So here 15 will goes over 25, it's one time, so here we will get 0, 5 minus 5 0, and here 1. So we will take 1 0, so here we will take 1 0, and 15 will goes over 100, it will become 6 times 15 equals to 19. So here the 19, 11, 100 minus 19 equals to 90 equals to 10. So here 10 is the answer. Sorry. So 160. So here we can simplify the whole number 15. So here 15 decimal 106. So now check the answer. So what is 106? So 15. So here the nearest answer is B. Like here the nearest answer is B. 15 decimal 016. So exact there is no answer. So let's come to problem number 2. So here, what is the sum of 3 over 4 plus 5 over 8? So here we need to simplify, or we need to match with the denominator first. So here 3, 4 multiply with 2. Here also we need to multiply with 2, and sorry, so here we need to add, so there's the plus, and here 5 over 8. So here also we will get 3 times 2 equals to 6 over 4 times 2 equals to 8. So here 5 over 8. So now we have got the common denominator. So now just we need to complete the addition. So 6 plus 5 equals to 11. So here we will get 11 over 8. So the answer is A, 11 over 8. So now come to another question number, or problem number 3. So here 25%. So 25% means it's within 100. So we will get 25. So within 200 we will get 25 multiply with 2 times, so it's 50%. So we will write down 50%, and here is a decimal, like we need to find out the percentage within 60. So here 25. So what types or how many times percentage we need to find out? So it's 25 times within how much? So it's 60. So it's 60 and divided. So percentage means within the 100. So it's 100. So here you can see the 100 will 10 will goes over 100, it's 10 times, and 60 within 60 10 will goes over 6 times. So here we will get 50 times 66 equals to 150 over 10. So here 10 will goes over 150, it's 15 times, so we will get 15. So here we can now match with the answer, like 50.15. So here 50% and here 0.1%. So it's 50.15%. 50.15%. So here we can match with the answer, like the answer A and B can be same. So here is a mistake. So one of the answer must be 50.15. So let's go to the another problem. So here the conversion to a fraction. So here's 0.75 multiply with 100. So it becomes 75. So now find the 75s. Okay, so we have multiply, so we need to divide 75 divided by 100, so we will get the answer. 0.75. So here the answer is C. Now let's come to another problem here. Simplify the fraction like 12 over 36. So here 12 is the common denominator for 12 and also 36. So 12 will goes over 12 it one times, and 12 will goes over 36. It will give me the answer like 3. So you will get 1 over 3. So answer is D. So 1 over 3. Now let's come to another problem. The ratio of nurses to patient in a hospital is 4:7. So 4:7 equals to, we can write down 4 over 7. So here, if there are nurses, 28 nurses. So write down 28 nurses. And here, how many patients are there? So we need to think about the patient number is X. So here X equals to, or X multiply with the ratio, and equals to 28 nurses. So against the 28 nurses, how many patients are there? So we will find out the value of X. So here it's 4 times X, and 7 will multiply with the 28, just multiply. Okay, so we will get 7 times 10, 7 times 8 equals to 56. Here 6 will come, and 5 is the carry for next digit. 7 times 2 equals to 14 plus 5 equals to 19. So here 196. So now we need to find out the X, the value of X. So 196 over 4. So we need to find out the number. 4 will goes over 19. It's 4 times 4. 4 times 4 equals to 16. 19 minus 16 equals to 3. So here after we will get 3, 6, and here it's 4 times. So here within the 3, 6, the 4 will goes over 36. It's 9 times. So here it's 9 times. 9 here, 9 times. So answer. So it's 49. So now let's check the answer. It's option C. It's 49. And let's go to the another problem here. If 3 over 5 equals to X over 20. So we need to find the value of X. So here first we need to match with the denominator. So just match with the denominator. Okay, so how do I need to, or how much I need to multiply with the 5 for the 20, for to get 20? So here 5 times 4. Okay, 5 times 4 equals to 20, and here also we need to multiply with 4 and equals to X over 20. So X over 20 is here. So now it has become 3 times 4 equals to 12, and here 20. So here X over 20. So we can remove the 20 because the same denominator. So here X equals to 12. The value of X is 12. So here now come to another problem. Hospital pays 21.36 for a pack of 24 surgical masks. What is the cost of each mask? So here inside the pack of 24 surgical masks is there, and the price is 21.36. So here we need to find out the cost per each mask. So your per each mask cost will be 21.36 over 24. So we need to find out the value like 21.36 here 24. So first we need to take a 0 and its point, so we can remove 1 point here because the 21 is less than 24. So here we can do like this way. So 24 will goes over 213. It's 8 times, so we need to multiply with 8 times. So 8 times 4 equals to 32. Here 2 is here, and 3 is a carry for next digit, and 8 times 2 equals to 16. 16 plus 3 equals to 19. So here 192. So here we will write down 8, and it's 192. So we need to subtract here 3 minus 2 equals to 1. So 1 is less than 9. So we will borrow 1. So here 11 minus 9 equals to 2. It's 21, and 1 minus 1 equals to 0. So here we will take 0.6. So over here again 21 will not goes over, sorry, the 24 will not goes over 21. So we need to use a 0, and here it will become 216. It will become 216. So here also it will give me the answer like it. So the answer will be like this way. So $81. So here the per cost for each mask will be $0.81 or 81 cents. So let's come to another problem, which is the following is equivalent. Which is the following is equivalent to this one. Okay, so we need to first think about what is it. So here three zeros after the decimal. So we need to multiply with 100. Okay, so we need to find out the percentage. So percentage means the 100 times. So how many or how much the amount is under the 100%. So we need to multiply with 100. So here we need to remove 2 zeros after the decimal. So it will give me the answer like 0, 9. So let's cut down. So we will get 0.09%. So 0.09%, it becomes C. The answer is option C. So now this is the last math for this tutorial. For a recipe, there are 3 eggs needed for the every pound of cake needed. So how many pounds of cake can be made if there are 40 eggs? So we need to make a pound of cake, we need 3 eggs. So how many pound of cakes can be made if there are 40 eggs? So we need to division, we need to operation like division. So 40 divided by 3. So here 40 divided by 3, it's 4. 3 will goes over 4, it's 1, and now it will give me 10. So 10, 3 will goes over 10, it's 13. 13 times 3 equals to 39. So now it's a 1 comes and 1 0. We'll take a point. So here 3 again, it's 3 like this way. So we can write down like this way, 13 3. So here we can simply use them. We will not select the mixed number. So here the 13 will be the answer. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Hope this will be helpful for you, or if you watching this series video, you will get for this tutorial, or in this series we will show or we will cover 10 particular topics or 10 particular question and answer solving. So if you go for it, I hope there's no tutorials required. So we will, if there are any chances that you need to get a one-to-one tutor, so we will provide. First complete the series and we will give you a perfect tutor if there is any requirement. So thanks for watching again, and contact us or feel free to ask any question.